This is a beautiful story about Esther. Oh, Esther was favored by God. And with all that Haman did against the Jewish people, Esther and her uncle Mordecai, they fasted, and God turned things around for the Jewish people. And it was a day that the king called his men, and they were discussing. And even at that time, they were not even time for Esther to go and see the king. But because of the favor of God, as Esther entered the palace, she was recognized by the king. So this story is a beautiful story. Just sit back and look at this story.